Hi, Jennifer. Can you believe it's been a month already? I'm not done by no means with your website yet. I'm still going to add targeted city pages, but I did want to give you a traffic report. Don't worry, it's not about H1. It's about your website. Uh, looks like I finally got the website up and running near the end of June because here we got 22 unique visitors. And now, when we look in July, which is not over yet, you see you had 508 unique visitors to your website. Now, unique visitors means people that have never been there before. Now, here's the cool part. Of those 500 unique visitors that have never been there before, they visited 1,033 pages. That's 2.03 visits uh, per visitor. That means they keep coming back. That's good. The more they come back, the more likely they're going to call you and hire you. Okay. Now, even more cool is each one page. The pages visited were 2,309. That means each person visited 2.23 pages per visit. Now, that means that they not only came back, but they were interested in the topic enough to click to see more. And those kind of people are going to buy something eventually. This is one of the reasons I want to talk to you about affiliate products. As affiliate products is a passive way that you can make a little bit of extra money. But that's for another time. I wanted to bring that up again just to kind of remind you and me. And let's scroll down a little bit. One of the more interesting thing I like to look at is the days of the week. So here it looks like now these are hits. That's people that visit your website. And that's Saturday, Wednesday, and Tuesday. Whoa, there's Sunday. Sunday looks like it's your biggest day. As far as hits, that means like people that visit. And it doesn't make much difference in marketing the day of the week. It's just something, to be curious about. Here's the hours. Looks like 7 a.m., but I hope that's our time. I can't remember. Sorry. Most people in the United States. Okay, let's keep going here. Okay, here's what I wanted to see. Most popular pages. Okay, now this is a program that's an RSS feed. So this is the page that's the most popular. Only by what is that? Five. Only by 5 views. But let's click it. So people that go there are reading about MedTech Life introduces heating pads, blah blah blah. That's another possibility for you to sell that kind of stuff online too, heating pads and stuff like that, and make a commission on it. That's definitely doable. And I could probably program this so if the word heating pad comes up, I could probably hyperlink it with your affiliate link. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I could. But I better not think about it too long or the ADHD brain will kick in. So these are all of your news ads, or at least the top ones that are listed in the RSS feed. There's actually probably more by now that aren't listed anymore because I get the feed right now from Google News. And that's a lot of people. And of course, a little ad for me right there. Now, one pretty cool thing I did here was this people can search this site. This same search box is on your uh, primary website, which is your promotion website as well. And people can search that box. So if they, let's say if they search pain relief, and this only searches your site, and it also searches busybusinesspromotions.com, but your pain relief, that's not going to come up. So if I do just plain old pain relief, hope I spell it right, there we go, and then click on search. Okay, there you are. You come up right there. Now, here's the really cool part. I want to show you something. Okay, so I know this is kind of a bad example, but let's say if I search, so for right now, if I type in pain relief Hawaii Kai, looks like that's what I did before. I don't think we got anything that came up, but let me check. Yeah, okay, right now, see no search results. Okay, but that's because I'm not done yet. Okay. Now, if I search for, and this is a bad example because I know you don't sell CBD, but it's in the news. And what I did was I put this news list right along the side right here for a very good reason, and I'm about to show you why. So you just saw an example of what happens if something's not on your page. It doesn't come up at all, right? All right, where'd my search box go? So, but now if I search pain relief CBD, there it is. So even though you actually, I believe you mentioned CBD in here, but here's what it's based on: 16 best CBD gummies for pain relief and sleep in 2023. Okay, I know you don't sell those, but we're getting people to the website through the on-topic news that generates every 6 hours. Okay, I didn't have to do anything for that but be smart enough to write the automation program. And that's the cool part. And when I do this, when I target cities, okay, that's those same city pages are also going to be on your primary website. And so after that, when people search pain relief Hawaii Kai or pain relief Kaimuki, well, that should show up. Pain relief Kahala, something like that. Then it's going to show up there, just like you saw it do with CBD. So that's kind of a neat program I wrote. Let's go back to this. Okay, we can look at your second most popular one here. Connecting the dots to diabetes, pain relief. Okay, nice. And you know what? It might not be a bad idea to see what the most popular news articles are, just for the mere purpose of maybe that's something that your clientele may be interested in. Now, this is just me thinking off the top of my head. This is your business. You know your business better than I do. But just a thought. Let's see if there's any more statistics I want to go over with you. Okay. Oh, Linux users. Yay. Okay, let's see. You got a hit from this place called NetMindBody, which is interesting. This deliver it means it's all from my news program. I'm using Deliver It is the social media service that I pay for my clients. So when I click on this, and this is why freaking Google Search Console doesn't pick this up as hits. So, but we are getting there. Okay, so introducing Motive, FDA cleared knee pain relief. Okay, I'm kind of guessing knee pain relief is probably a big thing. We'll take a look and see what this second one is. Claw toe deformity. Okay, I know nothing about that. All right, and I'm pretty sure that's about it. Okay. So I wanted to give you a report as to what was going on for the month, and I find this is the best way to do it. And that's it. Uh, as I mentioned, I got more work on this to do, and that's it. So I'll talk to you later. Uh, God bless you and aloha.